How to fix Instagram? Please check your internet connection on Android or iOS phone. First, open a Play Store and here make sure your Instagram is updated, and if you found here update, just update your Instagram. And now if that doesn't fix your problem, go to settings. If you have an Android phone, go to apps and apps again, and here type Instagram and click on it, then click force stop and go to storage, clear cache. And if you have an iOS, just restart your phone and then turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, then all you need to do, uninstall your Instagram and install it again, and that's it. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.